In June 2023, around 40 young African researchers met in Montpellier in the south of France. They are the laureates of the last two cohorts of an initiative called Advanced Science Training, which is part of the One Planet Fellowship Program, co-implemented by Agropolis Fondation and AWARD. These young researchers took part in a scientific week. The event was focused on the relationship between agriculture and climate change in Africa. This was not the first time the laureates were getting together. The previous week, they participated in a study tour to Brussels and Rome. It was an opportunity for them to meet experts from the European Commission, the FAO, and other international organizations who contributed to raise their awareness of the links between research and public policy. The Science Week in Montpellier was a new milestone in the career of these 40 laureates. It gave them the chance to build a network with other European and African scientists who, like them, look for agriculture-based solutions for Africa in the context of climate change. A speed dating session was even organized to help them get to know each other.
C'est la première fois que je participe à un speed dating professionnel et j'ai beaucoup aimé le format, j'ai beaucoup aimé le concept et le but le plus concret en fait c'est d'essayer de trouver des complémentarités dans nos approches de recherche, d'établir des partenariats sur le long terme et donc pour ça effectivement on échange des adresses e-mail et puis c'est le début peut-être de collaboration à plus long terme.
Many of the lectures were given by scientists from the local research community in Montpellier, but also by IPCC experts.
On part du rapport complet de chaque groupe de travail qui fait à peu près 3000 pages. Après, on a un résumé technique qui est plus dédié aux universitaires et aux professionnels.
During the Science Week in Montpellier, the laureates also took part in a role-playing game.
C'est une simulation sur les questions de négociation de changement climatique où on fait intervenir différents acteurs ayant des intérêts qui sont différents et voir comment, dans le cadre de ce processus de négociation, ils puissent arriver à une situation qui puisse converger et pour au final avoir des impacts sur la diminution des températures.
A forum theatre session encouraged them to imagine new ways of approaching North-South relationships in terms of development aid. There was even a pitch contest where the laureates could practice convincing a panel of decision makers in 3 minutes sharp.
I think that's a very great training for them to prepare them to future challenges because they need to deliver their message in the right and clear way to convince policymakers to be engaged in adaptation for climate change impact assessment.
Finally, the week ended up with visits to cutting-edge scientific facilities such as the high-speed phenotyping platform of Labs Lab. All in all, a multitude of small seeds were sown during this One Planet Fellowship Program Science Week in Montpellier. Let's hope they will soon give rise to some exciting research collaborations between Africa and Europe.